Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the episode of Great Locks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at Jemi Got Soul's Dreadlocks. Anyway, we're looking at the Instagram page for Great Locks right now. Make sure to go give it a follow. Right now we're almost at 4,500 followers, which is nuts and it's awesome. And she was actually the last person that was featured on the channel or the page. The page is doing great. Hopefully you guys have checked it out if you haven't already. It's basically everything about dreadlocks and people just like really cool hair. So go check it out. You can get featured on there. Just make sure to tag Dreadlocks on Instagram. You can get featured. But let's go ahead and take a look at her page, and we'll take a look at the beginning of her kind of journey, if you will. But I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people I feel are inspired by her dreads. She has, I think, some of the best dreads in the game when it comes to like people on YouTube or Instagram. Like, her dreads are super dope. I'm not gonna tell you a lie, like this is pretty dope hair. I could tell you right now that the hair she has right now is super dope. Just the progress of everything. But we can see right here, there's like some platinum and then there's some like bronzy spots. And that just comes with bleaching your hair. It's like sometimes it's really hard to get all that bleach in there and make sure that all the pigment is out of your hair. I'm not gonna lie, this is a really good job on that. And I was watching the whole process. I remember watching her videos when she was going through making her hair platinum. So it's really cool to see this picture and see this compared to how it is now. I can walk you through probably the steps in which she went with getting the dreads. I can see right here that her roots were twisted. It just seems to me that she went with either 2-strand twist to start out her dreads or just twisting with gel, because she does have really uniform dreads. We can see right here in this picture that there's 2-strand twists, but I'm not exactly sure how she started them, but I'm assuming it was twisting with gel just because her dreads are so uniform. But then again, I do feel like it was 2-strand twist how she started, because if you look really close, if you look at the texture of the hair, it's almost like spiral. So it's kind of indicating that she started with 2-strand twist. Here's one with it pulled up. Cool thing about her hair, it's like almost curly like all the time. So we can tell right here it's pretty curly. And at the same time, I feel like she's always doing 2-strand twists, or I feel like maybe she's braided her hair, but I feel like it's mostly just 2-strand twists. We can see that right here, the roots are black and the tips are blonde, and it's really a whole bunch of blonde compared to the black, which is really dope. I think that's really cool. And I really do like the color that it gives off just because it's super bright compared to the roots. That just looks really cool. From the outside looking in, I can see that the hair texture is most likely, I would say just in the 4s. Could be leaning on a 4B most likely. I don't think it would be a 4A. Looks too coarse to be 4A. I like the hairstyle that she goes with. Is just like, I would say the hairstyle is, you know, the bleached hair, bleached tips. And if we scroll up, like, we can see how dope this actually looks. Like, I can agree with a lot of people who say that she has some of the best dreadlocks just because it looks so cool. And I feel like they suit her very well. I see that there's, I think, one piece of dreadlock jewelry in there. It's hanging. I'm not exactly sure what it is. Well, there's actually a few. And oh yeah, there is quite a bit in there actually. It's hard to tell with the bleach in there though. Overall, really dope dreads. I would say some of the best dreads in the game for sure. Also, if you guys haven't already, go subscribe to her channel. She's killing it. As you notice, I'm actually going to be doing dreadlock reviews on people that are on YouTube or Instagram. May even throw in a subscriber dread review, so stay tuned for that. Overall, we can say, like I said, start out with 2-strand twists or twisting with gel. Hair type is a 4B or a 4A maybe. Maintenance, I would say 2-strand twists and twisting with gel. Another hairstyle that I've seen her do is like a half up, half down. Also, I've seen her do like a pineapple top with all of it up. The thing about high top dreads is I feel like the hairstyles, it's like you're limited, but I feel like the hairstyles look cooler. And that's my personal opinion, probably just because I have high top set of dreads as well. Yeah, overall, really dope, like I always say. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you think about her dreads? Whose dreads should I review next? Basically, I mean, there's not really much to say besides how cool her dreads are. I already talked about the process and how she got there, but yeah, we can just say overall, really dope set of dreads. I would say some of the best dreads as far as a YouTuber. I'll let you guys be the judge at the end of all this. And it comes down to all the videos dropping with the YouTuber dread reviews. So make sure to stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. Next video is gonna be really cool, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.